Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make malt cob flour. Now, when people come into my baker's shop or they see it on the internet, they always turn around and say, oh, a granary loaf or a harvester loaf. Well, those are trade names, and in most bakeries we're not allowed to call it granary or harvester unless we're actually using that type of flour, and these days the flour which is licensed is very, very expensive. But we make alternatives. Like for myself, I blend my flour so I get a nice mixture first, then I'm adding malt grains into it. And now I'm going to just run through and show you how to make my malt cob bread flour. First and foremost, we put into the machine bowl a blended white flour. So that's going in. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to add in, it's around about 4 pounds of bigger malt cob. That goes in. And then I put in a finer version of the same malt cob in. And that just gives the loaf just the spot on, what I call the best of. Because you get the chunky bits and also you get the fine bits. And it's also a lot more maltier. And it's as simple as that, and all we do then is just mix it up, mix it for about 10 minutes round and round, and Bob's your uncle. And there's your flour, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this small video. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!